Normally, we use basic remote access software like Microsoft Remote Desktop to remotely control a Windows 7 computer from Windows 10. But you have to go through many settings and both computers must stay under the same network. Instead, you can try a simple remote control software, AnyViewer. This app can perfectly help you access Windows 7 from Windows 10. Here's how to do it. 1. Download and install AnyViewer on both computers. 2. Create an AnyViewer account for free. 3. Log into this account on both computers. 4. On your Windows 10 PC, open AnyViewer and move to the device page. Then click your Windows 7 computer from the My Devices list. 5. Click one-click control on the right and you can immediately access your Windows 7 computer. Since Microsoft hasn't supported Windows 7 for quite a while, the experience of remotely accessing Windows 7 from Windows may 10 not be perfect. But it's still the best solution according to my test of most remote access software. If you also find it useful, please hit the link in the description to try it for free.